Gentiles College Diary Season 2.
Ano mo ako na lang?
Naka-point side siya. So, manami sa among first layout. Ika, pag-hi. Vlog. Hi guys.
Pagod.
We're here at
McDo.
for our next photo shoot. Vlog. Bye.
Ito ka man.
Hirga ka?
Ang ganda, plakado.
Ay,
Paya. Vlog, guys, we're here. Bye. We're here at our studio. In the studio na pala guys for our second photo shoot. Boy, shit.
Natakot ako.
We're done guys. Among shooting for today and
Sa master yan mo. Malta sa ato. Shooting!
I'm tired.
So, time check. 3:10 na guys. And naman namin sa mga shoot here sa studio.
Feeling ko bagay na kong earrings.
Ikaw na studio. So much ikaw na studio. Okay lang. Ay! Vlog, mangguni ka na. Mas mo. Ay, so, unsa na yung niya.
Guys, intern nami. Pero pangit naman.
Doon na kami guys.
Vlogger mo?
Saan siya?
Sa YouTube lang. Hi everyone.
Mga na ang look guys.
Yeah, thanks for
Look of our
just candles. Ako yung ka ba just candles? Candles.
Pwede na mag-graduate.
Kabalo naman sa mga pa-makeup sa mga.
Yes.
Located lang siya sa Green Meadows.
Yes.
Yes. Star Apple.
Yes.
Kalaw sa division.
Before anything else, let us uplift ourselves. Marian Sheila. Together with her is her mother, Mrs. Eunice R. Dickens. This is her father, student because after their internship will be their fourth year. Oh, sana all fourth year. Ilang kami yan eh. So you can say your personal wishes during the time that you're holding your candles, your personal prayers as you will embark to your fires in your candles. So box A and B, kita sa tawagan together with our
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank